Let's start with email OTP. This is the go-to choice because it doesn't require any extra apps. To set this up, enable email verification from email OTP under two-factor authentication, and then select your user roles. You can select as many users as you need, but here we are only selecting the administration and editors. Save changes when you are done. Let's go to user, then select all users. Switch to an editor's profile. Then select the profile. Scroll down until we find the ultimate security section. Select the method to email. Send the OTP code to your email to get the first verification OTP. But keep in mind, you're relying on your email provider. If your SMTP isn't configured correctly or your server is slow, you might be waiting 30 seconds or more for that code to arrive. Once you get the OTP save settings, you can reset 2FA method instantly from here if you think you did any mistake. Update profile to apply changes. Now it's time to see our login defense. We will enter the editor's username and password, which we have enforced for email OTP. As the credentials match, WordPress is asking for the email OTP. The editor will get the OTP on their registered email. Now we will apply the second, Authenticator App method. We will start by enabling the toggle and then enabling roles just like we did previously for the email OTP section. Here we also have all the users. For convenience, we are keeping the first two major roles. Next, we have the advanced settings, but we recommend keeping it the same as it is. Down below the XMLRPC, we are also keeping it the same as it is. For a pro security move, turn on encrypt keys in database. In this video, we have already encrypted it. This ensures your secret keys are protected by your site's unique salt keys. In the same way, we will go to user, all users. For this particular method, we will be forcing 2FA for the administration role, so we are switching to their profile, then user's profile. Scroll down to the ultimate security section, selecting the method to the Authenticator app. Unlike email, the setup takes one extra step, scanning this QR code. But here is the payoff, reliability. Because the codes are generated locally on your phone, it works instantly even if you have no internet connection. All you need is just an Authenticator app, for example, the Google Authenticator app. Scan the QR to get started, or copy and paste the private key to the Authenticator app. Lastly, save the setting and update the profile to apply. Email OTP is easy of access. The Authenticator app is instant login. Now time for the check. Open the login page and enter the admin credentials. Now WordPress is asking for another code from the Authenticator app. Just simply submit the code from the Authenticator app and get logged in.